Volker Infra Limited have been appointed principal contractor by Scottish and Solent Energy to install a new 132,000 volt submarine cable between the mainland at Leap and the Isle of Wight here at Thorness Bay. The project is being delivered in two phases. The first initial phase consists of installing a horizontal directional drill onto the seabed of the Solent. Following the installation of the drill, a marine spread will mobilise, bringing the pipe down into the position, and it will be pulled back into the bore, ready for works to commence in 2014. And that will consist of installation of the submarine cable, civil activities, jointing and terminating works both on the mainland and on the island.